Session 40 of Unit 4 of Taxation of 5th Semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study the provisions governing minimum alternate tax under Section 115 JB. Learning objectives is to understand the special provision for payment of tax by certain companies or minimum alternative tax. Students should be able to learn the special provision for payment of tax by companies, that is minimum alternate tax. In the earlier session, we have studied about the payments not deductible under section 40A. Minimum alternative tax, where in the case of a company the income tax payable on its total income is less than 15% plus surcharge if any plus health and education cess of its book profit, such book profit shall be deemed to be the total income and the tax payable on such total income shall be the amount of income tax at the rate of 15% plus surcharge if any plus health and education cess of such book profit. For the assessment year 2020-21, in case of the domestic company, the surcharge is 7% if the total income or book profit deemed total income exceeds 1 crore rupees but does not exceed 10 crore rupees. It is 12% if the total income or book profit exceeds 10 crore rupees. In case of foreign company, surcharge is 2% if total income or book profit, that is deemed total income, exceeds 1 crore rupees but does not exceed 10 crore rupees, and the surcharge is 5% if total income or book profit exceeds 10 crore rupees. Health and education cess is at the rate of 4% on the tax liability, that is the tax as well as the surcharge. While computing the profit, the following points should be kept in mind. Any insurance or banking company or any company engaged in generation or supply of electricity shall prepare its statement of profit and loss in accordance with provisions of the Act governing such class of company. In any other company, it shall prepare the statement of profit and loss in accordance with the provisions of Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. While preparing the annual accounts including statement of profit and loss account, the accounting policies, the accounting standards followed for preparing accounts, the method and rates adopted for calculating depreciation shall be the same as have been adopted for preparing such statements laid before the company at its annual general meeting. Where a company adopts the accounting year different from the previous year under this Act, the items mentioned shall correspond for such financial year or part of such financial year falling within the relevant previous year. References: